Meet one of the most unique and prehistoric-looking river monsters on Earth. The alligator gar. They are the largest species of the gar family, and among the largest freshwater fish in North America. They get their common name from their resemblance to the American alligator, particularly their broad snouts and long sharp teeth. Their fossil records traced back to the early Cretaceous era, over 100 million years ago. They are often referred to as primitive fish or living fossils because they have retained some characteristics of their early ancestors. They can weigh up to 136 kilograms or 300 pounds and reach up to 3 meters or 10 feet long. Their scales are unique compared to other fish